So another question is, show that 1 to the power 1997 plus 2 to the power 1997 up to 1996 to the power 1997 is divisible by 1997. Now because we have to discuss divisibility by 1997, so I have to express these numbers in terms of 1997. So what I'll do is, I'll pair these numbers. I'll pair the first one with the last one, second one with the second last, third one with the third last, and because there are even number of terms, so each and every number will be paired with some other number. So I'll write it as 1 to the power 1997 plus 1996 to the power 1997, 2 to the power 1997 plus 1995 to the power 1997, 3 to the power 1997 plus 1994 to the power 1997, and we'll continue. Now I can write this as 1 to the power 1997 plus, and I'll express this number in terms of 1997. So I'll write 1997 minus 1 to the power 1997. In the same way for the second one, I'll write 1997, and this is 1997 minus 2 to the power 1997. Same way for the third one. Now using the shortcut, so this is 1997, and here every term will be a multiple of 1997 except for the first term. So I'll use the shortcut and I'll simply write it as minus 1 to the power 1997 plus all other terms which are multiple of 1997. In the same way for the second one also, I'll write 1997 and then shortcut is minus 2 to the power 1997, and the same way. So this is 1 and then minus 1, so it will be 2 to the power 1997 and then minus 2 to the power 1997. So all these terms, they'll be 0. So that is, this expression is clearly divisible by 1997.